My name is Gary Kozlowski. I'm a project manager with Midwest Engineered Systems. The work cell we're looking at today is a cell that automates the assembly of truck wall bodies that essentially you'd see on a delivery truck in various lengths from 12 feet long up to 30 feet long and 6 different heights. This client manufactures over 1,200 SKUs of body types. And this cell has been designed both with the software and obviously the mechanics to be able to adapt to whatever SKU the customer is requiring. This process is currently done manually, and this will take the process of combining all the components, to be able to run a 24/7 schedule, and reduce the amount of resources required to manufacture walls. It utilizes a single FANUC robot that does most of the part picking and part assembly. Since the wall system is primarily assembled with adhesive tapes, it's critical that the surfaces that those tapes are applied to are clean and free of any contaminants. In order to ensure that, we use a plasma system that's unique to the industry for cleaning off the areas of the skin materials and the stake materials where the tape is applied. This ensures that that bond is going to be as strong as the manufacturer requires and the application requires once it gets assembled onto a truck and it's driving down the road. Caulking technology and riveting technology. This cell is a good example of a custom piece of equipment, one of a kind in the world. This is our specialty at Midwest Engineered Systems, and we'd love to do this for you.